everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Kirandeep Photography, where we talk about products and gadgets related to photography. Today we will be reviewing Wacom Cintiq Pro. Earlier, as you already know, that I talked about Wacom Impress Pro, the pen tablet that I was using earlier. So how is it different from using a mouse to edit your pictures than using a pen tablet?
Using a pen tablet is like working on a piece of paper and writing with a pen. It's that simple. But what if I ask you to write your name with a mouse? Will you be able to do it efficiently? Probably no. Just like that, a pen tablet or say Wacom Cintiq Pro lets you precisely work on your pictures. Also, you can control the pressure sensitivity of Wacom pen, unlike a mouse. At the end, I would just say, don't believe me, try it yourself.